An American company is set to build new engine units for world's most powerful fighter jet. Pratt & Whitney has received a contract to build Lot 18 of F-135 engines. These engines will power all three variants of the F-35 Lightning II fifth-generation fighter aircraft. The engine has proven its safety, readiness, and reliability. It delivers over 40,000 pounds of thrust. The engine offers fifth-generation propulsion capabilities. F-135 engines provide the warfighter with a critical advantage over adversaries. The engine enables the F-35 to conduct operations in advanced anti-access, area denial, A2, AD, environments.